installing security. So like, were there some security applications that you installed?
No, we would install the Windows of 2000 X,
Mm-hmm.
Windows XP, some kind of networking software, and that would
Mm-hmm.
configure business user profile, install security, all that stuff like that. So there's
Okay, so
no
like it was
physical
built
application.
in.
It was built in the Windows operating system.
Okay, and that was a system that ensured that the network security and managing backup as well.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, and so did you have, like, even though you were an intern, but did you have any say in what sort of application the system have to be installed or not?
I don't have much. This is a physical internship. I was just helping people out the physical time of intern. I not having to say what to install.
Okay, great. And then providing technical and programmatic information assurance services in support of information security systems. Okay, and so again, was that a result of the systems that were installed that this was being taken care of by the system itself?
Yeah, this was a result of the operating system itself that you would install the system and he had a generic password for every computer. So we would make sure
Mm-hmm.
that password was installed for every computer.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And then performing regular password checks on the system to ensure compliance with latest security standards. So, how were you performing those checks?
We didn't have no tools. We would just basically we would go on. If something went wrong, we would go back and reinstall the whole system. It would take about 2 hours at least, and then we go back and reset the whole password again.
Okay. Okay, perfect. And then you also mentioned that ensure data integrity and develop policies and procedures. So, what sort of policies and procedures are we talking about here?
So these are all Windows-based policy and procedures. We did not develop anything. They're all based in Microsoft Windows.
Okay. Okay. And then administering Windows with failover cluster for various roles such as, okay. And that was also built in the system?
Yes, I was the bottom of MS SQL cluster. I took a class on SQL cluster on MS SQL cluster only, and that was
Mhm.
all built in this other stuff was all built in the internship.
Okay. Okay, perfect. So anything else from this role of yours that you think you haven't added or that could be worth mentioning for the resume?
No, that was the only thing I did, and then ordering computer was standard. That was about it.
Okay. Okay, great. And so, yeah, so can you tell me the name of the class that you undertook?
SQL, SQL, introductory
Okay.
SQL class.
Okay. And so, where did you take that class?
Career Technology Center.
Okay. Oh, yeah, definitely. Okay. And then if we go back in your career, then you were the executive store manager at UPS Store. So, yeah, so I would like to know, first of all, about your daily responsibilities. Like, what was that position all about for you, and what were you supposed to do there?
This was I owned the retail store for 18 years. I managed all the accounting, banking, notary public, customer service, UPS packaging, and employees and all that payroll and everything else.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And so, since you were with that store for so long, so you must have been involved in the evolution of the store ever since you joined. So, like, were you
There
involved
was no
in
evolution, but
hiring
like
some people? Mm-hmm.
we would the store had no physical evolution. We would keep track of the shopping center had improved for that many years. It improved